activity with this Thermocol sheet, cardboard and glue. Now let's start. We're going to make robot with this Thermocol sheets and put over here. When I want to join this glue. Mommy is paste. Mama is paste. Wait. Oh, sorry. This part is left. Now, let's take a glue. Now it's over. And Thermocol sheet and come here. It's over. Now let's take a straight. See, it's paste. Now these. Now let's put this. Over here. Police, we're going to work. Now let's. Okay, Mommy. See. Okay, Mommy. Now, Mommy, I put it closed.
Good job.
Put this one outside. See, I pasted so close. My eyes are not closing.
Yes, you're fresh.
Take a tissue. I want to clean it. Ooh. Mommy, what else? This one? No? Okay. Yes, Mommy, I pasted. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more left. Oh no. Sorry, Mommy. Or this? Now, Mommy. Now that one. Oh, why is it right here 9? Okay. Now, Mommy, it's all done. Now let's put this. This one. See? This is alright. See, it goes straight. Okay. Now we're going to fix this one. See, they're all fixed. Oh, sorry, close. Oh no, this is mold. This or this. Mommy, I fixed so close. I can make a robot. Okay. No. Or straight line like this. Oh no. Oh no. Mommy. Paste it. We're going to put some glue. Now all done. Now what in see this? See this? One. Oh no! Now the pattern. Oh no! That one. Now I will clean myself, okay? I want to clean my hands. Now where should I go? Where should I throw? Trash? Over there? Let me go. I can go, okay? Now I am back to throw tissue in the dustbin. Now let's keep this one and join it. Now let's join it up. Okay? Oh no! Wait a minute. I got another glue. Here's another. Oh no. Oh no. Hi, Mommy. Mom, how can we fix this? Mommy, I want this one, okay? Oh, sorry. I forgot to join it up. I don't know. Now let's take a glue. Oh no. I did it. Right now we're going to make a robot. This one along the top. Yes. And C is for cardboard. And what is for box? This is left. Okay, we're going to fix this right with our car. We're going to make this. Okay, now this is my favorite. Oh, another one I forgot. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Now we're going to complete this rope. Now let's take these pieces over here. Mommy, it's finished. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. See you next time. Bye-bye.